And that is our top story. Good evening. For the first time in months, the Cooley COVID-19 Collaborative addressed the public regarding the community's situation with COVID-19. News 8 Now's Tyler Jobe joins us live in our studio tonight to explain what health experts had to say. Tyler?
Mike, according to the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, the current 7-day average of probable and confirmed cases in La Crosse County is among the highest since the pandemic began. Currently, the weekly average is at 197 with no immediate end in sight. COVID-19 cases in the Cooley region continue to rise exponentially.
Assume the people out there who feel fine walking around, at least 10% or more of those are infected.
And health experts say they are not exactly sure when the Omicron variant will peak.
I think there's some hope that by mid-month or towards the latter half of the month that we will see a peak and then a fall.
The surge is causing strain to area hospitals and schools. La Crosse School District Superintendent Aaron Engel says facilities are going through significant absences with both students and staff. Logan Middle School paused in-person learning for part of the week due to a lack of substitute teachers.
It is more and more challenging to keep our community and our schools running with these staffing shortages.
Engel says the district's safety policies, including wearing masks, have led to very little virus transmission in schools.
We feel comfortable with kids when they're at school with the procedures that we have in place.
Engel also says virtual learning is still an option, but a last resort. Officials will be evaluating each school on a case-by-case basis. The plan is to keep kids in school because that's where they learn best.
We also know that when students are at home, it creates an additional burden for parents and leads to other staffing issues across our community.
Despite experts recommending masks, Health Director Audra Martini says La Crosse County will not mandate them inside public areas.
At this time, it's more common across the state of Wisconsin to not have a mask mandate.
But Martini did not rule it out.
If we find that that's something that we feel is the best option for La Crosse, it will be considered.
Now, Engel says La Crosse school leaders do not intend to close the entire district again unless there is a broader statewide shutdown. Mike?
All right, thanks a lot, Tyler. Both Gunderson and Mayo leaders say each healthcare system will not be requiring booster shots for staff at this time.